So in no particular order, the first one that I chose is Voice No Bird by Helen Oyeyemi. The reason why I chose this book is because I think it has a very interesting idea of our eyes only see what our minds tell us to see. So if something is not part of our experience, is not part of our perception of the world, most likely it will go unnoticed. Another interesting idea here is when we look in the mirror, who do we see? Is it the person that we believe we are, or the person that others see? How is our perception of ourselves formed?